Hey, third graders. Today is Wednesday. You guys are just going to continue working on the little riddle and the little crime scene investigation of Who Stole Santa's Sleigh. So again, yesterday I went over and just kind of walked through the whole activity, but today I'm going to go over little pieces of what you're going to be doing today. Okay, so let me switch my camera. All right, so here is your crime scene investigation, Math Christmas, Who Stole Santa's Sleigh. Yesterday, this is what you guys worked on, and you found one clue. So hopefully you have, this tells you who did not steal Santa's sleigh. So hopefully you've moved your X's and you've crossed some people off, okay? And so today you guys are going to be doing clue 2, magic to fly. And you have 9 magic lollipops, 5 magic cookies, 2 magic coats. And each one of these objects, the lollipops, the cookies, and the coats, they have their own value amount over here. So the magic lollipops, every lollipop is worth 1 point. So this would be 9 points. 5 magic cookies. The cookies are worth 3 points. So 5 times 3 is 15. And then the coats are worth 5 points. And so 2 times 5 is 10. And then you're going to add up 9, 15, and 10. And that is the total number of magic points. And that's how many Rudolph had. And then this one would be Gingerbread Man, Santa's Elf, Mrs. Claus, Frosty, Christmas Ghost, Penguin Paul, and Christmas Bear. And then the suspects with less than 30 points. So after you've added up all these total magic points, the suspects with less than 30 points, you're going to put their names in these boxes. And they did not steal Santa's sleigh. So then you're going to go back over here and you're going to move your X's to those 3 culprits, okay? So again, if you didn't finish this yesterday, go ahead and finish that today. And this is what we're working on today. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Just a little refresher of multiplication, some addition, and this is just meant for you guys to have fun and just get ready for your Christmas break. Hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you tomorrow.